Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn more about CSS inheritance. So when we have styling, each HTML page already has a body element, and that's the entire thing. And we can style it by following the syntax. And then now for this exercise, this body element can also style the other details within this page. And if you make other tags, it's going to inherit those properties. And we can see it by doing this exercise. So first, we want to create an H1 element with the text hello world. So we take H1 hello world. Great. We probably can't see it because it comes on black. Now we can change the color of it to green, and we can just simply copy and paste that. And now we're going to see this is green. So even though we didn't style this specific H1 property, the element, it still inherits this property of having the text color green to do it. So now the next step for this exercise is that we want to give the font family of monospace. So we just copy this. And then now this is going to change to a monospace font. And there we go. And that's it. Thank you.